So this huge spruce tree had fallen over, and it took all the roots and everything with it. There's a huge hole. I don't think you're going to be able to tell here, but like it's massive, right? Anyways, this was all standing straight up, and I could see all the rocks and the dirt and everything and the roots where it pulled it up. You can see here. So anyways, my buddy needed a stump for his a chopping block. I thought, oh, this would be a good one. So I was cutting, and this thing is just working like unbelievable. $150 saw that just works awesome. But anyway, I'm sitting here, I'm cutting, and you can see like she's a pretty big tree, and like that's a 20-inch bar. And anyways, I was waiting for it to start to close up and maybe pinch my my bar, and so I was kind of concerned about that, and it wasn't pinching it, and so I was like, oh, okay, I wonder what's gonna happen here. And I don't know why, I'd never had this happen before, and I thought it was leaning far enough this way. But anyways, I kept cutting, and all of a sudden this whole big freaking massive thing just drops right beside me. So I filled in the hole. Frick, that hole is like about 8 feet deep. Anyway, that's all I got for you today. Well, he said he wanted a big chopping block, and he's definitely got that now. He's like, I can probably make a table out of the stump here. This exhaust runs a bit hot here. I ended up cutting the stump, so I got a nice table or something, whatever I want to make out of it. And then I just backed up to a ditch and loaded the stump here into the truck.